temperatures, that's going to be the other obviously huge extreme. From 70s yesterday to 30s today. We'll potentially briefly get close to about 40, but it's going to stay pretty cold through the afternoon. Rain is going to develop here within the next few hours. That's going to turn over to snow this afternoon. The mountains are already seeing some snow, some wet roads there along I-70. And as far as our totals go, this is not going to be impressive for us right here in Denver, about 1 to 3 inches. And a lot of that's going to melt when it hits the ground. But there are going to be some areas, I'll show you where we could get a good 4 to 8 inches here along the Front Range. 42 right now. You can see a mostly cloudy sky. A few sprinkles will be possible this morning. Compared to yesterday, we're about 15 to 20 degrees colder. And this afternoon, this map's going to look even different, about 30 to 40 degrees colder from what we saw yesterday afternoon, the 70s. It was a little windy, but it was still pretty nice. Take a look at Futurecast, and again, we'll start to see right around 9:30 to about 10 o'clock, a bit more snow up and through the mountains above about 9 to 10,000 feet. By early afternoon, that's going to start to make its move east. As you get closer to Fort Collins, Longmont, Estes Park, you'll be some of the first to see some of the wet weather through early afternoon. Then it's going to move into the entire metro area through the evening commute tonight. So likely the roads will be wet to potentially slushy early tomorrow morning. And we're going to see that through the commute tonight into tomorrow. Take a look at some of the alerts. Now, this is going to be a bit of a wave after wave after wave. We're going to see unsettled weather through Wednesday. Things will start to clear out by Thursday. But the alerts that we have going into a place today include a winter storm warning for the mountains above 9,000 feet. And then also Fort Collins. You're going to be under a winter storm watch today, a good 3 to 8 inches. So again, as you get north along I-25, closer to Longmont, and then north up into Wyoming, that's where some of the heavier snow will be with that round. Here in Denver, again, right around 1 to 3, but get on the western edge of town, and we'll likely see along C-470 some heavier totals there. The foothills at around 4 to 8 inches, and above 9,000 feet, over a foot of snow expected. So some pretty good snow up and through Loveland. Loveland ski area open up until this weekend, Sunday's closing day. So get some good fresh snow for that. 30s today, 40s tomorrow, and then some low to mid 50s on Wednesday. Chance, though, for a little rain and snow again tomorrow. Additional accumulation is going to be pretty light by that point. And then afternoon storms and showers on Wednesday. It does start to get warmer, and happy to say at least things clearing out nicely for the weekend. Back in the 70s, Jason, from Friday through Sunday. But we have issued a first alert action day in effect both today and tomorrow.